Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to 8x8 complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official 8x8 website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the account creation page. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password following the specified guidelines. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Review the features included in each plan. Once you've selected a plan, click on the Continue button. Provide any additional information requested, such as your business name and phone number. Review your order summary to ensure all details are correct. Enter your payment information securely. Select your preferred payment method from the options available. Double-check all your entries to avoid any mistakes. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Follow any additional steps outlined in the email to set up your account. Log into your new 8x8 account using the credentials you just created. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.